Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the new update on Theta. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Theta for a while broke down a very long-term support line that starts from $2.55 and goes to $2.20, but bounced very well from the next support and re-entered the same support zone that was broken down. And this was my last video that I shared a few days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that still it is moving inside the support line. It was dropped down here. By the way, we are watching on the daily time frame chart. We broke it down here, but it covered back after this long spike. We tested this long-term support of 71 cents, $1.71. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and support here. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a quite long-term support and resistance level because it was also breaking as a resistance here back in the month of August 2022 as well. And now it is again breaking as a support. And now the price is again re-entered the same support line. That's start from $2.55 and goes to $2.20. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this quite long-term down channel. And we will also take a look at this very, very massive breakout that has happened here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Theta that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That is a very huge harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Theta has formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Theta, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 25th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this are the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now let's move to the long-term trade setup for Theta that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And this was a very big harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Theta has formed on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is geared up from this buying zone, but still moving inside this buying zone or a potential reversal zone. And the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this garlic starts from $8.18 and goes to $13.21. Now, let me just show you this recent breakout from this down channel. And here you can see that on the daily time frame chart for the past several weeks or months since after the month of March 2024, it has been moving inside this channel. And I've been telling you that target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel after the breakout, approximately at $3.80. And you can see that after the breakout, so far the price then has moved up to $3.35. So we are very close to hit that target of this breakout from this down channel. And during this rally, the price then for a while broke out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $2.20 and goes to $2.55. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously breaking as a resistance zone here. And for several months, it has been breaking as a support zone here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, recently, it has been breaking as a very strong support zone. But for a while here, we broke it down and retested the next support of $1.71 and geared up. And now still it is moving inside this support and resistance zone. And now we need to break out this upper resistance of this resistance zone that is here at $2.55. And if the price then breaks out this resistance of $2.55, then an imminent move is possible at the next resistance of $4.50. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $4.50 is another very long-term resistance that has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and almost as a support here as well. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel as well. And so far, the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That long-term target can be here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $16 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.